Today we will introduce how to use YDQ, AC/DC Hipot test set, gas type, and the operation or tension. Inflatable AC test transformer is a necessary test equipment for electric power equipment testing and preventive testing. Sulfur hexafluoride gas is used as insulation medium, which has excellent insulation performance and acts extinguishing performance. Single machine voltage class can reach to 300 kV voltage. It weighs lighter 20% to 60% than traditional oil-immersed test transformers. Equipped with 1.2 special gas nozzle and small tank sulfur hexafluoride gas, is to maintain and especially suitable for use in frequent movement working conditions. Today we take YDQ 150 as an example and use the matched TC series operation boards to conduct the boards test. The primary transformer has an input winding, the instrument winding, and the secondary transformer has a high voltage winding. Before boosting, we should check the transformer gas pressure gauge. The pressure should be greater than 0.3 MPa before wiring for testing. Connect the TC operating station with the transformer special line according to the lay plate of the terminal. It should be noted that the high voltage tail of the test transformer must be well grounded. After checking the wiring and safety measures are in place, switch on power supply. Turn the knob of the operating table counterclockwise to 0 and the indicator light will be on. Then press the close button. Adjust the boost lock clockwise. Observe the voltmeter head. And press the timing button when the required test voltage is reached. After the timing is completed, lower the voltage. Then press the brake button and capture the power supply. When using YDQ AC/DC Hipot test set gas type for power frequency withstand voltage test, it is necessary to check whether the equipment capacity is sufficient to avoid reluctance during the test. The test transformer's continuous operation time shall not exceed half an hour under the rated load. If the AC/DC inflatable test transformer is used after the DC leakage test is completed, the tested product should be fully discharged with the matched discharge rod to avoid possible electric shock. Okay, that's all for today's class about the operation methods and the operation attention of YDQ AC/DC Hipot test set. For more explanation of operation and test methods, please visit the official website www.hvtest.cc.